Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I finally got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I love this bag. This I think is my favorite makeup. My favorite makeup. I did open it because it's hard to open. So I'm going to take things out. Now, normally I get this in the middle of the month, usually. But this month, for some reason, it just wasn't coming, and I didn't order add-ons. A lot of times I've noticed, and other people have noticed, when you order the add-ons, it takes longer. So I haven't been ordering add-ons, and still, I just got this, and it is the end of the month. So I'm glad I got it, because they said it wasn't going to come until maybe even mid-January. So now here is the difference, though. Look what I got. This bag is from last year. And I'm perfectly fine with this bag. I think I gave this bag away. I usually give my bags. I have a friend that I send these bags to. I haven't sent them in a while. I will be sending them soon. I keep saying that, but I will. I have them all filed away for my dear friend. But this one is from last year. I want to say maybe it was December last year. But it's really pretty. I like it. The bag for December is like pink and orange. Was it hearts or something? To me, it almost looks like Valentine's Day. It may not have been hearts. I don't really remember. But anyway, don't remember because it's so old. But this is velvet, and it's got the crown and the heart and the star. Okay, Smudge, come on through. Come on through. And then some of my items are inside. Some of my items are outside. And I always go back in and see my pricing and stuff like that, so I can tell you all. But I love this bag. There's a little Ipsy tag. There you have it, and there it is. It's just nice. I think it's more appropriate for wintertime than the one that they've sent out to everybody. So that happens sometimes when they get behind. Who knows what happened? Maybe low stock. I don't know. But anyway, how Ipsy Glam Bag Plus works. It is $28 a month, $1.99 handling. They don't call it shipping. You get free shipping. Okay. So I get it by, I've been getting it by the year, so it's less expensive that way. But if you get it by the month, that's what you would pay, is $28, or it might be $27.99 plus the $1.99. So how it works is you get 5 full-size items, and they pick 2 for you. So you get to pick 3 things. To me, that's really fantastic. So let me show you what they picked for me. They picked some good things for me. And sometimes when I go in to pick, I'm a little disappointed with what is there. Now that I'm seeing it all again, I really like it. And I'll tell you what else I could have gotten. All right, they picked this for me. This is smashed because they smashed it in that darn bag. But this is Kate Somerville. This is the Exfoliate Cleanser, the Daily Foaming Wash. And love. They can send me all Kate Somerville, and I would be very happy. Okay, this is valued at $44, and this is what it looks like. And if you can see in there, it's almost full. It's this much not full. It's a little from being outside, but it's a lovely soft cleanser. And I love Kate Somerville cleansers and creams and everything. Love it. Very happy to have this. $44. They chose that for me. And then they also chose this for me. This is Tarte. I love the brand Tarte. This is it says Quick Stick Waterproof Shadow and Liner in Bronze, Luster, and Black. And this is valued at $25. And let's see what this looks like. They do show at the end. Maybe that's the color there. Let's see. This is a double-ended item. I've never had this before, I don't think. I've had many double-ended items, but I don't think I've had Tarte. Okay, so this is, can you see that? Copper. And I love that. I do use these kinds of things, but I have one right now that I'm using. It's not Tarte. Oh, I forget the brand of it right now, but it's about the same color, so I'm not going to use this just yet. Because too many of those at one time, for your eyes, you shouldn't keep your eye products too long. It's recommended because you don't want to get infection. So, and the other end is thinner and black. So eyeshadow, eyeliner, you could use this as a, a chunky eyeshadow, a liner. And anyway, So that is very nice, valued at $25. And it, I'm not sure how it, if it twists up, I'll figure all that out later. Anyway, but I like that. And I may or may not keep it because I do like Tarte, and they're a great brand. So what I got to pick, okay. I don't remember what was my first pick, my second pick, my third pick, but one of my picks was, I got to choose from Wander Beauty, the Mile High Mascara, which is funny because that's in the choices now. January 2nd, we pick again for January. And that's one of the spoilers. Then there was a Gua Sha, an Aceology brand Gua Sha that was pink, the pink stone. I can't think of it right now. There was the Tarte eye product that I just showed you. That was in my choices after they already picked it for me. There was an Alterna hair cream and the Lifestyle perfume. So perfume is out, hair cream is out. Got the eye product. The Gua Sha, I already have one, have had several, give some away. And the Mile High Mascara by Wander Beauty, lots of people love it. I've had it before. I've only ever had it once. Did not care for it. So maybe I might have had a bad, you know, or an old brand, an old one. So this is what I chose from here because of the value. This is $68. This is Skin & Co. They are an excellent brand from Italy. And this is the Truffle Therapy Ultra Pure Facial Oil. And I have had several products from Skin & Co. before, and they're wonderful products, and they're very bougie. And you know, even the wrapping of it and everything is beautiful. Look at how pretty that is inside there. It says something. Are you ready to glow? Are you ready to glow? Okay. And this is what it looks like. And it's a nice oil for your face. And this will be one of those when you open this up, then you pump that down to get stuff into the dropper. Okay. So it's a nice thin oil. So you can use this not just on your face if you wanted to. And I do have another oil right now, so I will not open that up just yet. And again, it might be something I put in a giveaway because I have a lot of oils. So we'll see when it's time to open another one. We'll see if I open that. And that was valued at $68. I think I told you all that. Then I got to choose from Patchology, 4 sheet masks from Patchology, which now when I was writing this down the other day, I thought, why didn't I pick that? Because I have had Patchology masks before, and I probably would have liked that. There was a manicure, scissor, and tweezer set, and it was from this brand because I have it. It was from Araceli Beauty. Araceli, not sure how to say it, but it was a scissor and a tweezer, and I already have the tweezer, and I don't need the scissor, so I didn't get that. There was the brand Lucky Chic. There was a liquid eyeshadow. I'm not big on liquid eyeshadows. I'll use them if I get them in a box, or I'll pass them on, but I more prefer a powder. There was a Cab brand lip gloss, and lip glosses are fine. I have 1 million. And there was a Refreshments body scrub, and I have not really tried much of the Refreshments line, and I like to stay away from it if I can. But not just, I mean, you know, sometimes you get it, and then I might use it. Then there was this. This was something that I really had not heard of. This is by The Feelist. And it is Juice, let me say it right, Juice Shot Exfoliating Facial Polish. Now, do I need another scrub when I have Kate? No. But based on the choices that I had, I felt, at the time that I was picking, I felt this was right. But now, you know, like I said, I could have got the Patchology sheet masks. I don't know why I didn't. This is valued at $48. It says that you'll have baby soft skin without drying with this exfoliator. There's shea butter and almond oil. Maybe that's why I got it, because it sounds fabulous. Because a lot of times a polish, you know, a pomade, or not a pomade, what do they call that? A polish or an exfoliator or a gommage can be drying. And they're good to use. Those kinds of things are good to use. For me with normal skin, for my skin, I don't like to use them very often, not more than once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. But if it's going to be non-drying, I would use it more often. This says there's shea butter in there and almond oil. So this might be less drying, which I'm happy about. This is a tube. Oh, it's not sealed. This is a metal tube. So I expected this to be sealed, you know, one of those where you puncture. but it isn't. So I'm going to show you. Okay, there it is. It doesn't have a scent that I can smell. That is weird that it's not sealed, I think. I think that's weird. It is made in the USA. It is 12 months now that I opened it. The Feelist Miami. The wellness and immunity boost your skin has been craving. The vitamin and super rich food smoothing polish is packed with gentle but effective exfoliants and high performing botanical ingredients that smooth, soften, and nourish the surface of your skin. So that is what it looks like. I can see, I don't think you can, but I can see little grains in there. And oh yeah, but can you see the little grains there? Maybe. Ooh, stuck my face right in it. It doesn't really have a scent, but it has little tiny grains in it. So, and the lotion itself is very moisturizing feeling. So I like it. I like it. It's going right into my bathroom because I've opened it. And then, is that it? We got one more thing. Oh, and then I've got the palette. And this is the funny thing because, well, let me tell you what I could have chose from. I could have chose a Farrah brand sponge set of 4, a Murad acne product, a Truly, what was it? Truly Beauty face scrub. How many face scrubs can I have in one? A Life Proof hair conditioner. Again, won't use that. A head towel. Now I do like those towels, you know, that you put on after you wash your hair and you twist them, you know, the turbans. Those are nice, but I have 4 or 5 of them. You know, I just, you know, throw them in with the wash and everything. I really don't need another. So I got the palette. That the choice was a palette, and it's the I Love You Forever. I'm going to leave this wrapped right here because just a short time ago in one of my fabulous boxes that I got from Boxy, you know, those dirt cheap ones, I got this palette. And I received this palette back in the fall of maybe 2021. It could have been 2020. I don't no, I think it was, well, I don't remember. I think it was 2021. And I didn't want it then. But then I see everybody has them, like, and then I get, you know, that FOMO going on. So I wanted it, and now I have 2. I don't need 2. So one will be headed to a giveaway near you. So this is what it looks like, Violet Voss. I'll Love You Forever. Olive. Now, you would think with that name and also this packaging, Olive, that there's going to be a lot of greens in here, but there are not. There's a couple. There's a mirror on one side, and then here are the colors. It's very beautiful, and I have decided I'm going to keep one for myself, so I'm going to swatch this. But I have that. All right, we'll swatch on my arm here because, and I did not bring anything here to. Let me come back and wash my hand off. The palette is valued at $34. And so I got the palette, which I'm going to show you in a minute. I got the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Oil. We got the Feelist exfoliator. We got the Kate Somerville exfoliator. We got, what else did we get? We got, 1, 2, 3. Oh, here. The Tartiest, not the Tartiest, the Tarte brand Quick Stick. I am missing something, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's it. That's 5 things. That's 5 things. Okay. So if you want to be done, I'm going to swatch the Violet Voss palette right now. My value for my bag is $219. And like I said, I paid $28 plus $1.99. You cannot get that kind of value anywhere else. You just can't. I did not have a lot of makeup choices this time, though. But I do like the skincare products that I got. I like it a lot. And I have something for the Advent treasure hunt if you are following that. I have the Hip Dot palette. I'll show it to you quickly. It's beautiful. It has a magnet closure. Oh, it has a screensaver. It has this is really tight on here, so I don't want to pull it off, but there's the gorgeous colors, okay? And then let's get back to swatching the Olive. It's hard to say that. Olive You Forever. Olive. I love olives. Okay. So if you'd like to stay and see, it's a really beautiful palette. So there is, let's see. These are shimmers and these are shimmers. And then so there's 6 mattes. 4, 5, 6 shimmers and 6 mattes. And we have, I'll just go across the top and do like that. And I'll show you. Oh, these are very pretty. There's nice neutrals in here. That's Olive Me. That's beautiful. This is called Wishful. It's very light. That's that one. This one here is Charmed, and this is Infinity. And see, that's black. And I don't know if that's coming across as black, but it is a deep black. Let's see how they swatch. You know, Violet Voss is really nice. Really nice. Now that Olive Me really looks green in the pan, and then not so much here. Put a little bit, there we go. Oh wow, I love that color. And the neutrals are always good. I always love neutrals. Let me see if I can wipe my fingers real quick here and go on to the next. All right, then we have, oh, that's beautiful too. I am a shimmer girl. That's what I live for, okay? This one is Olive You. This one is Wink, Endless Desire, and Infatuated. So a lot, like I said, these are the neutrals, you know, the ones, you know, there are a lot of neutrals here. So let's try to go up here a little bit. Okay. And then again, I probably have to hit that again another time, the Olive You. This one is more of a, it's got a green tint to it, but it's like a titanium. That's the best way I can describe that one. Like a titanium. And then this one, Wink, is very, very light. It's like a light-based makeup. That's what you're seeing here, or maybe not seeing, because it's the same color as my skin. So, this is a really nice neutral palette. And I don't normally wear a lot of greens, but I do like a touch of green sometimes. And then the bottom row are all shimmers. So let's see, it's making me want some olives. Okay, this one is called Juicy. Now look at that, it's a beautiful gold. It looks different on my finger than it does in the pan. This one is called Major Spotlight, and this is a shimmer. It's hard to see that shimmer to it though. This is called Lovebird. And this one is called Olive Glow. Look at that. Love it, love it. Okay, let's see. And those are beautiful. See, that's a nice range. Those shimmers are beautiful. See, they really do shine pretty good. And then these shimmer, I can just see, I'm going to be doing a look with these three. And it's some others, but I mean, as my focal points, I guess. I really love that one especially. Beautiful. So that is the Olive You Forever palette. And from Violet Voss, and now I have it. And at some point, well, y'all will have it, because I'll probably put that other one in a giveaway. So thank y'all for stopping by to see my Ipsy. Like I said, $219 value, y'all. Now, sometimes it's not that high. Sometimes it's more, and sometimes it's less. But I would say most often it's always at least $150 value, I do believe. Usually I want to say most of the time it's around $175 value. Of course, it depends what you pick. They do have some things to pick in each category that could be $15-ish, and then some things that are, like I said, I think what was this was $68 or something. So you just, you know, and then if they have a 111 skin product for over $100, that throws you over the top, you know, but you know, you can get some really fine quality products in this bag. This is my favorite. I like this better than Boxy. I love Boxy, so don't get me wrong, but I like this one better. Anyway, so that is it, and thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings, y'all. Take care. Bye-bye.